Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uday Pandit and you're watching MEP Technical World. In this video, we'll learn about basically types of the power cable as per its insulation. Okay, so before we start the session, I'd like to request you, if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So basically what is insulation? So insulation is the material that surrounds and protects the electrical conductor in a cable. Okay. So what is the purpose of this insulation? The purpose of cable insulation is to prevent electrical energy from leaking out of the conductor and to prevent the electrical shock, fire and other hazards. So basically insulation is the material which protects the electrical conductor. Okay, basically this is the cover, we can say. Okay, so that prevents from leaking the electrical energy and shock, electrical shock, fire and other. Okay, suppose if we have a like cables, 3-core cables, it has a 3 conductors, and suppose if we don't have a insulation, if it is near to or touch to each other, it means it will get short circuit. That's why over the conductor we apply insulation. Okay, so this is the insulation, cable insulation. So here as you can see, so this is the conductor and over it these are the insulation. Now come to the types of the power cable as per the insulation. So there are 4 types. These are PVC cable, okay, then XLP cable, then EPR cable, next FRLS cable. So these are the 4 types of the cables as per the insulation. So now let's discuss it one by one. So first come to PVC cable. So basically what is PVC cable? So PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride. So PVC insulation cable is a type of the electrical cable that has its electrical conductor surrounded by a protective layer of PVC insulation materials. So conductor is protected by this PVC insulated materials, polyvinyl chloride. Okay, so if we talk about its material, so PVC is a thermoplastic polymer that is known for its durability, flexibility, resistance to moisture, heat and chemicals. So it is more flexibility as compared to XLPE cable, and it is resistance to moisture, heat and chemical as well. Now third, so PVC is a thermoplastic material, therefore care must be taken not to overheat, and it is suitable for conductor temperature up to 70 degrees Celsius. So operating temperature is up to 70 degrees Celsius. So this is not for overheat, over the heated metal. It means a heated area. Ambient temperature is, it means if it higher than, so this is not for overheated area. Now PVC insulated cable should not be laid when temperature is less than 0 degrees Celsius because it becomes brittle and liable to crack. So this is not good for where temperature is below the 0 degree Celsius or 0 degree, because of it can be brittle, it can be break down. Okay, that's why it is not good for minus degree temperature, wherever this cold is, this temperature is below. Now if you talk about its short circuit temperature, so it can withstand 135 degrees Celsius temperature at short circuit condition for only for 5 seconds. Then 90 degree Celsius temperature can withstand at overload condition 5 seconds. Suppose our cable rating is for 150 ampere, but we applied it suppose 300 ampere, so this means it is overloaded. So at this condition only up to 90 degrees Celsius temperature it can withstand only for 5 seconds. So here this is the conductor and this is the PVC insulation. So this is the main cable insulation, overheat we have a this sheath also is a PVC. Okay, now application of PVC cable. So PVC insulation cable are widely used in various electrical application due to their low cost as compared to XLPE and other cables, and good electrical performance and easy of installation because of flexibility. And they are commonly used for electrical wiring in building and power distribution for industrial and control system and LV system. So this is the application of the PVC cable. So this is the view of the PVC insulation. Here we have okay. Now come to XLP cable. So basically what is XLP cable? So they are known as PAX or XLPE. It is form of polythene with cross-link or cross-link polythene. So the useful property of XLPE are temperature resistance and pressure resistance, stress rupture resistance, and also it is resistance to UV lights, chemical resistance, oxidation, moisture, and room temperature and low temperature properties. So this is the advantage of XLP cable over the PVC cable. So it can be used at higher temperature, even pressure. We have a mechanical pressure. It can withstand even UV lights, chemicals resistance, oxidation, moisture. So these are the advantages. It can resist. Now XLP cables are widely used in LV high voltage application due to their excellent electrical, mechanical and thermal. So this is the cost is high as compared to PVC, but it is more resistance like these parameters. If we talk about its operating temperature, so it is used up to 90 degrees Celsius. Then 250 degrees Celsius can withstand a short circuit condition only for 5 seconds. Then for overload condition, it can withstand 130 degrees Celsius temperature at overload condition for 5 seconds. And current carrying capacity of XLP cable is 30% higher than the PVC cable because of these properties as compared to this PVC cable. Okay, so here we have a XLP cable. So make sure this is the conductor. Over it, this is the only XLP. Okay, this is the only XLP conductor insulation XLPE. So these are the XLP R, Y and B colored, and these covers are PVC. In case of PVC cable, both are conductors cover and outer sheath covers both are PVC, but in case of XLP cable, only over conductor cover is only main insulation. So this is the actually XLP or PVC. Now come to EPR cable. So basically what is EPR cable? So full form of EPR is ethylene propylene rubber. So this is the full form of EPR cable. So operating temperature of this cable is from -50 up to 150 degrees Celsius. So this is the best cable we can say as compared to both. As per application in winter, even in minus ambient temperature like a -55 degrees Celsius, it can withstand. So EPR is more flexible than PVC and XLP. It has a high dielectric losses than both. So dielectric loss is more as compared to this cable. So if you talk about its application, so due to its excellent electrical insulation, good resistance to ozone, humidity, heat, cold and aging property has been widely used in low and medium high voltage, even ultra high voltage cables. So these are the application of EPR cable. So this is the view of EPR cable. Now come to FRLS cable. So this is the most important, most safest cable nowadays used in wiring. So FRLS, full form of FRLS is fire retardant low smoke cable. So it has a property like it can means resistance the fire. In case of fire, it will not burn easily. Even it will not emit smoke, means this is the fireproof cable, we can say. So during the even short circuit condition, it will not extend the fire due to its insulation property, fireproof insulation property. So this type of cable will continue to operate in presence of fire, and this type of cable will not emit the smoke during the fire. So during the in case fire, suppose in the building, if we have a fire occurred, so during that time, even this electrical can, this wire will not burn due to its fire, even it will not emit the smokes. So during the evacuation, this will also help because of this FRLS property. Here we have a view of FRLS cable. Nowadays, in all residential, commercial, or even in industrial building, wire can be used for safety purpose. So here in this video we have discussed about cable types as per the insulation, that is PVC, polyvinyl chloride, then XLPE, cross-linked polyethylene, then EPR, then FRLS cable. Okay, so hope you guys understand about cable insulation. So this is, I think, more like theoretical, so hope you guys understand about it. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So thank you very much. See you again in next video.